Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Realme 12 Plus. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on parental controls and then click on get started. Now select child or teen and click next. Now click on add or create account for your child and then click on Google. Now you have to enter your child's email address and then click next. Now you have to enter your child password and then click I agree. Now click on more and accept. And now you have to select your account. And now you have to enter your parent email address. And then click next. Now you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll down and here you have to enter your child password again. Now click next and here you have to scroll down and click next again. Now scroll down again and click next, and here you can install a family link or you can click skip and you can install this a bit later manually. And now click on review controls, and that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.